Safety, like I think we see the braking is from the front towing vehicle, so it's connected to that to this vehicle, so there's no jerk when the brakes are applied.
As a traveler, what better place to be in than your own home on the wheels? So I love traveling in.
Very convenient. It's very like it's not claustrophobic.
I love that this is solar powered. That like makes me feel really good about this whole thing in general. So the solar power actually powers the lithium battery, and the lithium battery powers the whole RV.
Not to forget the washroom. Not to forget the washroom.
The most important space.
Yeah, washroom is there. To own it, you can take anyone, whether it is
whomever you want,
age, whether your pets,
and you're not answerable to anybody
anyone.
also.
Yeah.